What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, here with Garrett. And we got maintenance day in the garage. The blades off the push mowers. Got oil change the other day. Got all of our hand tools laid out. Wheelbarrows, we got concrete in this one. Mulch in this one. We're gonna use his Ryobi power washer with a foam cannon on it. And we're gonna basically get all this stuff cleaned up, put it away for the winter. We're practically done with it now. It's like December 6th. Just want to make sure everything's put away. Got a tiller I acquired from a client. Runs just fine. Needs a little carb tune up. Ordered a new carb. Got to clean it up. Get all that junk off of it and whatever. I mean, it runs fine, tills fine. So another good piece of equipment to have. Got our spreaders up here. The deck for the 60. By the way, a lot of you guys are asking why it's off. I wanted to be able to fit Cartmate through tighter areas, so I just popped the deck off. Had the two push mowers here, blades off. Got our new Milwaukee Rocket Light, love it. Compactor, push sprayer, gas cans, backpack sprayers, blower, Toro tools. So, probably gonna get to work here and get everything cleaned up, ready to go for the season. That way next year we can come out nice and strong, have everything ready to go, put some stable in the engines this year, just give them a rip, and our tools will be ready to run for next year like new. So got Garrett here, he's getting the power washer set up.
Yes, sir.
Probably, I don't know how he wants to do it. We may rinse first since there's a lot of mud on this stuff and then soap it all, or I don't know how he does it, but we'll get some shots of the foam cannon going. We have two options for soap. Our hand tools will probably just use the cheaper option, which is what I have, but he's got the Chemical Guys Citrus, and I have a Meguiar's soap, which again isn't really a cheap soap either, but a little bit cheaper, so we'll use that for the hand tools. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I waited for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night.
Okay, so step one is done. All the mud is off. We basically did the rinse. You could stop here, but we want everything to be really clean, so we just did a rinse. You can see all the stuff that came off these things. Now we're gonna soap everything and actually clean it. And yeah, get some really nice looking stuff again. So gonna watch Garrett do some work with the foam cannon. So you ready to see it?
Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah.
I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Why won't you tell me something new? Don't you think one people the best? We fight back my stuff, I get sooner than this. Don't you think one people the best? We fight back my stuff, I get sooner than this. Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your death without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people the best? We fight back my stuff.
This is how you make stuff last. You keep it clean, take care of your equipment, it'll take care of you. I mean, look how much cleaner that is. Check this out, guys. We got the Titan, very nice wash, wax, detailed, cart made on it, all nice and washed up. I mean, look at them rims. Like, look at that. Nice job, Garrett. Looks good, man. We just took it up the street to get some pictures. So if I have any better pictures, I'll put them up on the screen. But I mean, it's everything's shining. The only thing that hasn't been washed yet is this tiller, and we want to do a little work on it. We want to sand down all those tines underneath and get them painted and stuff like that. New carbs on order. Just replace the carb rather than rebuild it. It's cheaper and takes less time, but looks good. This thing was awesome, man. With the power washer and the attachment on there. Yeah, it's awesome, man. So we're actually gonna head inside a couple minutes, get some food, and we'll come back out here and start working on this tiller. I might do a separate video on the tiller restore, but I mean, look at the weed whackers. Not even a bit of grass on them. So everything nice and cleaned up. Good for the winter, just to sit for 3 months and get dusty. but yeah, you can see this tiller needs to be done too. But that's not exactly a priority for today. Well, we might wash it first before we start sanding it and stuff. So we'll see. All right, well, we're gonna go eat. We'll talk to you in a bit. Well, guys, I thought I'd just wrap this up right here. Isn't there something nice about having all clean, shiny stuff? I mean, just look at that. There's not a speck on there. I mean, just completely nicely polished. Looks mint. I mean, even the push mowers look good. And you can see something dirty like this isn't mine. I mean, look at that. That's a money setup right there. Even all those hand tools, look at that. It's really key. Keep your stuff nice and clean. That's how it'll last. Take care of your equipment, and it'll take care of you. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Sunday scrubbing. See what I did there? Uploaded the video on Sunday, scrubbing on a Sunday. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about our process when we clean our tools, leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I wait for someone to say